Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Star channel. Today we are going to solve the problem from the last and previous sessions and the native session. Okay, let's try to solve the problem. The problem is that I gave you a list of names and each name have a password, and if the password is a number, you must tell that you must delete that name from the list because it is false. The password should have a number. Okay, let's try to write it. Because I am so lazy, I didn't even use to create a list, and I want to create a list just now by using the random comment. Okay, let's import random. Okay, now let's run it. Random, let's see, say x is equal to random dot rand it from 0 to 1. Why 0 to 1? Because I want, if the number is 0, to give a name a password, and if it's not 0, if it's 0, give a name no password, and if it's not 0, give a name password. Okay, let's write it. For x in range 15. Okay, we cut this line, and put it here. Okay, for x in range, if x is equal to 0, we for now write no password, and else password. Okay, for now we must create a list and import the numbers and the names to it. We create the list name test list, and it's empty. Okay, I create a list of 50 names of English names from Williams to Iris. Okay, now let's append these names to the list. For x in range 50. Oh, it's okay, it's saving. It's saving just now. There is no problem. Okay, it's saved. Let me write it here. For x, say test list dot append. Okay, dot append English names x. Let me write it I to make it better. Okay, now the name append. If x equal to 0, we say, let me copy this line of code. Test list dot append. Let me say no password, and else let me say, okay, wait a minute, it's loading, it's saving. Because this collab is going, it's I fix it in the next session. It's a problem. Okay, test list dot append English names test list dot append item. Now what is item? Item is a random number. Item is a random number from 100 to 991. Okay, now print test list. Okay, now let's run it. As you can see, the test list is created, the name and the password. Okay, now we have the test list. Let's go and solve the problem from the 90th session. Okay, For solving the problem, we should make a for x in range 50 divided by 2. We find out y2. Okay, now we want to run a for that goes William, James, Oliver, Henry, not passwords. Okay, we write a code like print test list x plus 2. Okay, let's see what is print. Okay, I forget to write something here and int here. Okay, as you can see, it's printed all the names, but the problem is that we have 50 names, not 25. Okay, it's all the names. As you can see, it's all the names. Okay, it's lagging. I don't know why. Okay, the problem has been. Now we want to print the passwords test list x multiple by 2 is the names, and for the passwords we add a +1 to this code. Now let's run it. As you can see, the passwords are printed here. Okay, now let's make a code that deletes the names with wrong password from the new list. Okay, let's do it. We at first create a copy of the list, final list, we call it final list, and it's equal to, I made something wrong, I guess it's going to final list is equal to test list dot copy. We say in the previous session why we use copy. Okay, now in this list we must delete the things if, say, let me delete this print and call it password and call this username. Okay, if password equal to, what we should say, how we can find that something is number or it's a name, by using which code, as you may think, the type comment. Okay, if it's equal to int, print password. Let's check if it is right or wrong. Let me delete this line. Okay, print it. As you can see, it's print all the numbers. Okay, now we know this line of codes are right. We do nothing here and we just change the topic. If type password, we remove username and password and print final list. Let's check it. As you can see, all the things that, oh, we have a little problem. Why? We deleted something here. After Arthur, we deleted two things. Okay, let's see why. James. William is deleted. James. Oh, why we do this? Let's check it. Final list dot remove username. Remove password. What is the problem? Okay, let's check it another time. We do something wrong. Print password. Okay, it's doing right. Okay, now we final list remove, not username, just password. Its AI is going crazy. I don't like it too much. Okay, let's delete it. It's loading. Okay, print password. The password is right, but why when we delete username, something like that happen? Okay, let's final list dot remove username and password. Okay, let's print again. James, Thomas. After Arthur, we have some problems. Why? Oliver, Williams, James. Oliver is deleted. Henry deleted. Thomas deleted. We don't have Thomas. We have Thomas. And after Thomas, George deleted. Edward deleted. Arthur is here. Charles deleted. Alfred deleted. Elizabeth deleted. Olivia after Arthur is Olivia. Oh, we deleted Olivia. We somehow overlooked it. This is an exercise for your next session to find out the problem or somehow fix it. What we do, I don't know either. I must think about it and make it right. Okay, let's change the code, for example, to not remove, to make a list of the true things for this session. Final list. Okay, we say here final list dot append username and password. Print final list. As you can see, the code is running right, and we divided the two of them. And I gave you another question, that is by using math and the sqrt, print math.sqrt for example, give me a list of 100. Let me fix it here for x in range 100, print math.sqrt x. This is the question for the last session, and it's easy. As you can see, it is very easy to fix. Have a good day until the next session. Don't forget to exercise. And if you find the problem in this line of code, I will be happy to know in the comments.